This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Debbie Morissette. Enjoy the amenities offered at Albemarle Plantation, a gated community. Life at 106 Saddlebred Court offers a blended retreat with one-level living at its finest. The kitchen/dining and family room open floor plan concept creates easy gatherings for both family and friends. High-end LG appliances, hardwood floors, fireplace, crown molding throughout. A welcoming front entry leads to extended outdoor living spaces. Amenities include full access to the Albemarle Sound, first-class golfing, tennis, fitness facility, swimming pool, clubhouse, and more. Recognized as America's 100 best places to live, this well-planned community affords security and allows one to be free to pursue their passions, meet new friends, and take part in new adventures daily. So what are you waiting for? New beginnings await at Albemarle Plantation. For more information, review the details below or contact Debbie Morissette at 252-339-2166.